Hi there, welcome to the video. The other day I was looking through some old video footage of mine. I've only recently started doing things on YouTube, and so I've got a lot of sort of collected footage from, I don't know, flights that I've done before, different places I've been with my quads, and just different sort of stuff I've done as I've been learning and experiencing the hobby of RC quadcopters. But sometimes I step into it in a little different way and want to try something a bit different. So a couple of years ago, I did that, and I built pulling it up here, I built a snowboat. Now, the plans for this you can get on a website called flighttest.com. I'll put a link for it below. And so this started life as a snowboat, which I buzzed around in the winter because it's a pretty long winter here. And then after a winter of use, I converted it so that it would be a little bit more waterproof and spent a summer using it on a lake. Mounted GoPro on here, had an FPV camera on the top, and it was a lot of fun. But if you watch to the end of this video here, you'll see why this thing is now on the desk. I had it on a lake and it crashed and kind of took a pretty serious beating. But all of that happened just before COVID. And so what happened was I got this home, I put it aside, and for the last 2.5 years, I've kind of forgotten about it. So when I found the footage, I decided, let's find that thing and bring it out and see if we can make it work again and take it out for some rips. Now, I know it's not the normal FPV quad stuff, and so I'm going to put this into a side corner of my channel as sort of the other RC stuff. But if you're interested, what we'll do is in another video, go through how it's actually put together, do the repair jobs on it, and then I'll take it out for some rips with a FPV camera and my GoPro mounted on the front. So without saying too much other than that, continue watching. There's a little bit of footage of this in action on a lake. Unfortunately, it was a little front heavy, so some water splashes up and gets on the camera, and it was filmed on a GoPro 3, so there's no real image stabilization. But nonetheless, you should get a pretty good idea of what it's like to buzz one of these things around 4 inches off the water. All right. Thanks for watching up until now, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks.